The dryer is making a clunking sound when it's running. Let's take it apart and see if we can figure out why. So I unplugged it and turned the gas off. This is the first time I've taken this dryer apart, so I'm paying attention to how things are disassembled, and I'm trying not to break any of the plastic pieces or the connections. So this wheel has a flat spot on it, so it looks like that's probably part of the problem, and also the bearing is going on this one. So I'll be replacing that one, but I need to check a couple others. Looks like that was the only one. Okay, so yeah, again, that was the only thing that I found wrong. So I'm gonna clean up the dryer and order the parts. I think I can find the parts on Amazon. I vacuumed and wiped down all of the lint and dirt from all of the mechanical pieces in the dryer. I replaced the guide wheel that had the bad bearing and a flat spot. I reassembled the dryer, and now we no longer have any clunking. It's operating normally now.